Struggling to find your Wikipedia user talk page? Learn the exact steps to create and publish it. First, access your personal settings. Then click on Talk, then User Page, type your message, and publish. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner to open your personal settings. Then, click on the Talk link to access your talk page area. Now, click on User Page to open your user page. Type your message or introductory content into the editing area. This is where you'll greet visitors or share info about yourself. Finally, click Publish Page to save your changes. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.